How to download CrazyGames app, CrazyGames mobile app. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can download the CrazyGames mobile app. So without any further ado or delay, let us get started. In order to download the CrazyGames mobile app, you want to simply launch your Google Play Store if you're using on Android and your Apple App Store if you're using on iPhone. Now from here, just tap on the search icon from the bottom of the screen right here. You can double press on it or double tap on it to open the search menu itself and just search for CrazyGames. When you do that, you'll find the first link right over here. This is the official games from the developer CrazyGames as well. And if you haven't installed it, you'll essentially find an install button here where you can just tap on the install button. In my case, I've already installed it. That's why you're seeing the play button. And this way you can easily download CrazyGames app. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.